Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be doing a body care skincare routine. So first we're going to start with a DIY sugar and honey body scrub, and I'm going to be making this because I really want to shave my legs, and whenever I shave my legs get irritated, and honey actually helps to calm the skin after you go in with any kind of exfoliation. So I'm going to make this, ensure that the sugar is like crushed out and mixed properly, just so it doesn't irritate my legs any further or scrub it. I don't want any really aggressive scrubbing. I just need the effects of the sugar and the honey just to calm my skin down and to also give it a mini exfoliation, because we're going to be already exfoliating with the shaver. Okay, so I'm going to go and do that right now, and I'll come back to you in a few. Okie dokie, so this is my legs, or this is my leg, actually what you're seeing. I'm basically going to go in with a spray bottle and I'm going to wet it. I did not do this in my bathroom because my bathroom is too small. Well, it's not really too small, it's just me. Like, I can't do anything in my bathroom because my back will hurt. So I like to just do it where I feel comfortable. So I did it in my office space. I just used my chair because my chair is plastic, so if water gets on it, it's fine. I'm using this eraser. I'm using this razor from shaving razor from Daiso. It's actually a 3-blade razor for females, and it is very flexible, so it moves according to the curves and the grooves of your legs or your limbs. And my legs are pretty thick, so it means that there is a lot of grooviness and all of that. And I have like really interesting calves, like as you can see, very meaty, very thick. And that's not because I am fat or anything, or I should say that's not because I am extra in the fat region. It's just because that's just part of me. When I was slim, I used to have thick thighs. When I am fat, I still have thick thighs. Like, this is just part of my makeup. But as you can tell, I also have very, very hairy legs, and I used to have, when I was growing up, I used to always see these big pores. So I used to wonder, why is it that I have these big pores? And I realized recently, or a couple years ago, that it's called keratosis pilaris. That's what I have. And that's not because I shave my leg. It just happens because I guess I produce a large amount of keratin oil, whatever, and it builds up and it creates that thing that you're seeing, the little dots on the legs. So the hairs on my legs, they grow in various directions. I know that you should always shave in the direction that your hair grows, but my hairs, they grow all over the place. So I shave according to what I am seeing on my legs, based on my experiences with my legs. You know what I'm saying? Yes. And this is just basically what we're gonna do right now. And I applied conditioner. This conditioner was from Daiso. Like, majority of what I'm using is from Daiso, apart from the skincare products on my legs and DIY, as you can tell. So we're just gonna shave the legs. Watch with me as I do it until the other portions of the video, okay? Okay, so I have moved a bit to my shower, and we're going to shave the underarm. I also don't like shaving under my arms. Why? Because I am a natural girl. So as you can tell, I had a lot of hair. Yes, so I just believe, that's just a part of my belief. Like, I want to keep the hair on my skin for a good amount of time, unless I'm wearing clothes that requires me to shave under my arms. I don't like shaving. Sorry to everybody else that likes shaving, but I don't. Anyway, so as you can tell, we shaved under the arms, and I'm going to go in with the same little honey and sugar scrub, and I'm just gonna take that under my arm just so that it can soften my skin under there, and also to give it a little bit of extra scrub because I'm not going to rub under my arms. I'm just going to apply it and allow it to sit there. And then later on, we're going to start with the skincare. I basically use a cheap body wash that I bought from Daiso. Again, I use a washcloth, and I like to use a white one because it actually allows me to see if I'm cleaning my skin or how dirty I am. And when I can see how dirty I am, it also encourages me, or it tells me how to shower in the future. So if I am dirty around my back, I know that maybe I was oily around there, or you know what I mean. I like the satisfaction of using a white rag to wash my skin, to cleanse my skin, because I can see the dirt. I can know that I am cleaning my skin, and I can know that, you know, cleaning is actually taking place. And for some reason, my skin gets really dirty. So as you can tell, I like to use the rag to scrub around my neck, and I was wearing my top at the time right here, and then I eventually took it off because I realized that, oh, you're not gonna see me, any part of me, because this is not what this video is about. It's more informational in a sense, yes. And also because you're going to use a lot of like various products in this video, so I just wanted to show you. So this is what we're gonna be doing. I'm going to be washing my back, and you're gonna see also when I wash my back how dirty it is, and I'm going to show you the rag too, so you're going to see that in the video. But let me not talk too much. Just sit back, relax, enjoy this portion of me just scrubbing and taking care of my skin, cleansing my skin. Like, I also wanted to share this one thing. I remember when I was young, my father used to bathe me. Whenever my mom, I don't have any memory or any experience of my mom giving me a bath. I don't remember my mom giving me a bath because maybe it was so frequent. But I remember when my father was giving me a bath. When he was giving me a bath, it was always very rough. It wasn't gentle, but I just always felt refreshed after, because he just takes your limbs, and he used to take the rag and the soap. If you're as you can see the dirt that I was telling you about, my back is always dirty. But yes, getting back to my father. So when my father bathed me, he used to take my hands and my little limbs, and I was so rude. My sister and myself, we were so rude, and we like to play in dirt. And my dad would just take the rag and the soap in Jamaica with that, I remember that bath pan, and he used to wash us and rub us. And sometimes he would rub my skin so hard, but when he was finished, when I feel my skin, I always felt so refreshed. And whenever I take a bath, as like a teenager growing up, I always want to replicate that cleaning feeling that I felt when my father gave me a bath. So even though my mom, she has given me millions of baths, but I don't remember any of them. But I remember my father's bath because it was always so cleaning and refreshing. And this is what he was always doing, rubbing the back, rubbing between the ears and the creases, and yes, so that's what we're doing, cleaning so we can look nice and feel fresh. And my voice, guys, as you can tell, it's not the best. As I said before, I've been having this condition for the past 5 days. I lost my voice, couldn't speak, and now it's back. I don't want to stress it out, so let me just stop talking, enjoy this portion, okay? Okie dokie, so now we're going to brush the teeth, and I'm just basically doing a simple oral care routine. 3 steps: toothpaste, aquafresh, toothbrush, tongue cleaner, and mouthwash. That's pretty much it. Okay, so right now we're gonna go in with my green tea and enzyme powder wash. Really love this from Wish Trends. It's an excellent alternative if you don't want to chemically exfoliate but you want to physically exfoliate without the extra scrubbing and scraping on your skin, because you can adjust this according to what you desire. So today I didn't really want to experience the granules, so I just added some water and rub it out fully, and then I just applied it to my skin, cleanse my skin, and it just felt like a regular cleanser. And then quickly after that, I basically dried my skin and I went into my Pyongkang Essence Toner. This is very hydrating, extremely nice, extremely hydrating for the skin. You're gonna see this in my empties and my nutris coming up. You're gonna see everything that I'm currently using. So after that, I basically go in with this Centella Unscented Serum. This is supposed to help with adding more hydration to the skin, because hydration is what my skin loves. I realize even when it's warm. Okay, and then I'm going to go into my Midnight Blue Activating Drop. This is very liquidy, so I have to allow it to absorb, give it some time to absorb into my skin. I like whenever I apply this, my skin is literally hydrated so that the product can absorb. And then I'm going in with my Gina Bell Purifying Moisturizer, and because I'm going to go in my azelaic acid, I'm going to take this first, then my azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is also good for hyperpigmentation, acne, and rosacea, redness. It's also a mild exfoliant, I should say. So I really love it for this. So even though I did a little bit of physical exfoliating, not really much because I rubbed out the granules, so there was nothing left, but I wanted to add some azelaic acid just for the purpose of giving my skin mild exfoliation, plus helping with hyperpigmentation, pimples, and so forth. This is my skin, nice and fresh. I'm gonna come to you later on, so just continue watching. Okie dokie, back again. I'm going to be using my Old Spice deodorant. I was using Degree, but then I changed to this one because I just wanted to try something different. Now we're going to be using our ordinary 100% ascorbic powder because this is good. This is like vitamin C, and if your skin or your face skin cannot manage it, your body skin can. Okay, I'm going to go in with 3 of these little scoops on the little spatula and 3 pumps of the Vaseline lotion. I'm gonna rub it out because all of that is going on one leg, because as you can tell, my legs are super gigantic, thick. Yes, so I'm going to just rub it out and then apply it to my legs, and it just helps with hyperpigmentation and just taking care of your skin, basically, to maintain even skin tone. Okay, I have a lot of hyperpigmentation on my knees and my feet. I don't know why. That's just my skin. My knuckles just, I don't know why, but yeah. But I'm just repeating the same thing on the other leg, so just sit back and enjoy. Okay, nice. So we got some products from Wishtrend. This is called Skybottle. We're gonna get spring fever moisturizer. This is the Skybottle hand cream. Gonna be applying this, and also going to be applying the Skybottle vanilla spray. This is fragranced moisturizer hand cream, but it's not like crazy, guys. It's a nice springy, nice. I just love the smell. It just gives me a vibe. Even though I'm going to my bed, it gives me a vibe. I can see myself using this in the morning when I wake up. Yeah, because this is my first time using it, because I just thought it was, fitting for this particular video. So I was just applying it to my hand, and it just gave me a nice hydration without feeling too thick, because that's the problem sometimes with hydrators. They tend to feel too thick. Now we're gonna go in with the Skybottle body and hair spray. So you can actually spray this in your hair. I guess it's safe. I love vanilla. I love it. The spray is nice, but sometimes I think it's a little bit too thick, Yeah, but I guess it's not bad. But I sprayed myself and I just felt so good. So nice. Tell me if you enjoyed this video. Yeah, I enjoyed filming it. Look at my black knees, but don't worry. Your girl is your girl. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I enjoyed making it. Pray for me. My voice is getting better. Yeah, but hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me which part of the video you liked, what you enjoyed, and so forth, so on and so forth. See you in the next one. And goodbye.